Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a spa. A wonderful massage, nourishing body polish, and soothing steam. Then look at the bill and wake up. Yep, we'd all love a good pamper session without it making a dent in our wallets. Which is why we've rounded up a DIY body polish for every skin concern. Rihanna was right. Who doesn't like to shine bright like a diamond? Here's a quick body polish for an overall body glow. Help yourself to some cornstarch to erase dark spots and a spoon of turmeric powder to brighten your skin tone. Then, blend the mixture with a non-comedogenic oil like sweet almond oil to moisturize your skin. You can either scrub this over dull patches or let it stay on like a mask for a few minutes. Wash it off while scrubbing in circular motions. If you're one to struggle with dull and dry skin, reach out for some rice flour, honey, and almond oil. Blend to make a thick paste. Rice flour will gently exfoliate the dead skin cells away, while almond oil will moisturize your skin, and honey will boost your skin's natural glow. Apply over dry patches in circular motions and rinse off with warm water. You're back from your beach vacation and need to get rid of that uneven tan? We got you. Start with some besan. Add orange peel powder to the mix and blend it with olive oil to nourish your skin. You can add a little shower gel to it as well. The vitamin C in orange will even out your skin tone and fade away the dark patches, while besan acts as an exfoliant. Does your body acne show up like a toxic ex from time to time? We get it. Take some aloe vera gel to soothe angry bumps and add 8 to 10 drops of tea tree oil to treat those pimples. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to exfoliate the dead skin cells that are the hub of bacteria and lead to acne. Blend into a soothing paste and scrub all over. You can let it stay for a few minutes before washing it off. Stretch marks are more common than you think and are nothing to be ashamed of. But if you're looking for a body polishes that reduces them, we've got one right here. Start with a spoon of coffee to exfoliate and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to reduce pigmentation and signs of aging. Blend it all with jojoba oil to nourish and moisturize your skin. Scrub in circular motions all over. Gently wash off for smooth, revived skin. We hope you found these DIYs helpful. Check out our other videos for more skincare tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.